Basic English parts of speech. Part 2. Adjectives, adverbs, articles, and conjunctions. Adjectives. Adjectives are used to describe a noun. There are two types of adjectives: attributive and predicative. Attributive adjectives are located directly next to a noun in a sentence. For example, I like that blue car, with the adjective blue describing the noun car. Or, those blueberry pancakes were delicious, with the adjective blueberry describing the noun pancakes. Predicative adjectives are separated from the noun they describe by a verb. For example, in the sentence, I thought the girl was pretty, the adjective pretty describes the noun girl. Adverbs. Adverbs describe or modify verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. For example, in the sentence, I quickly walked to the park, the adverb quickly modifies the verb walked to show that the speaker walked fast instead of slowly. In the sentence, the child was very small, the adverb very modifies the adjective small. Prepositions. Prepositions link nouns and pronouns to other words within a sentence. Most of the time, prepositions indicate where a noun or pronoun is with regard to space and time. For example, in the sentence, I put my hat on the rack, the preposition on shows where the speaker placed his or her hat. In the sentence, I made dinner after I went to the grocery store, the preposition after tells when the speaker made dinner. Articles. There are two types of articles: definite and indefinite. The definite article is the word the, which indicates one specific thing. For example, go get the car. In that example, we are referring to one specific car. There are two indefinite articles: a and an. These are used to refer to something that is not as specific. For example, go read a book or go eat an apple. In these examples, we are telling the listener to read any book or eat any apple. The article an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Conjunctions. Conjunctions link words or parts of sentences. There are two types of conjunctions: coordinate and subordinate. The coordinate conjunctions link words or groups of words that have equal significance in a sentence. These conjunctions are and, but, either, or, and, neither, nor. For example, red and blue balls, or, I went to the store, but I didn't buy anything. In the second example, both parts of the sentence could stand on their own as complete sentences. Subordinate conjunctions link more important words or groups of words to words that are considered less important. The subordinate conjunctions are that, as, after, before, since, when, where, unless, and if. In the sentence, after I went to the store, I came home and made dinner, the phrase, after I went to the store, cannot stand on its own as a complete sentence. Therefore, it depends on the second part of the sentence to make sense.